All right, I'm going over the plugin hatch IP ban plugin. It's pretty straightforward and super easy to use. It has basically the functionality that you put here an IP address, and it shows up in this list and bans it. That's as far as the actual interface. That's what it's going to do. If you mistakenly ban something you didn't want to, you can highlight it and click here to remove it. The interesting part about this, however, is what it does automatically. So we block known malicious IP addresses. So there's a list that gets generated by all the users who find malicious activity on their website. People scanning for exploits on WordPress, and the plugin will automatically update a universal database. And when you log in, not only will this ban the stuff that you've deemed to be hazardous, but it will also download what everybody else considers to be hazardous and protect your site from them before you even see them. We also have the auto ban malicious activity. What that does is detects if someone's doing a site scan for you to find an exploit, it'll automatically ban them. And the contribute banned IP addresses just allows this plugin to update to the main database so other people can get protected from any IP addresses that you have banned. The way this works is by adding a ban list to the htaccess file. So that's a Linux-based system. If you're not running a Linux web hosting, this is not going to work for you. But once the install goes in, it'll make a backup of your original htaccess to make sure if anything goes wrong, your site's not going to have any, long-term problems. You would just restore the htaccess and everything would be back to how it was before. And that's about it.